Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your debit card to the Rover app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your debit card to the Rover app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Rover app. Next, click on More on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Payments. Then on this page here, click on Add or Modify a Payment Method. Next, click on Add New Card. And then this is where you can enter your debit card details, such as your name, card number, expiration date, and address. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your debit card to the Rover app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.